good evening. Hi, say hi. Okay, welcome to our short story about the puppets, ACE 103, with Marcus, Tim, and Alexa.
Hi.
So we have here. Yes, very good. We have here your characters. There is, what do you call this?
Simba.
It's a Simba. There's Froggy.
And
There
there's
is Robbie. And there is
Priscilla.
Priscilla. So the story goes like this. These animals are all friends. But Simba, oh, Timari si Simba, Baro. But, what's her name?
Priscilla.
But Priscilla wants to go first to fly high. But Simba, where's Simba? Si Simba, Baro. Simba wants to run fast first on the finish line because they're having a race. And this Priscilla wants to fly so fast. Where is Simba?
Priscilla is a parrot.
Yeah. Priscilla. And Simba, where is Simba? Where is Simba? Simba, come here. Marcus, can I borrow Simba? Baby Simba first. Very good. Baby Simba wants also to run fast because she is ano gani? Rabbit is a lion. So fast man ang lion. So let's see who will run first or make it. And the Froggy wants to hop very fast. So we
And
can finish
also
the finish
Robbie.
line. So show your puppets. And the first one who will go to the finish line is ready, get set, go.
Where's the finish line?
There. Hindi na mula na ready, get set, go. Woo! Who runs first? Who make it? Is Priscilla. Okay, but all of them are still good friends.
Yeah.
So that's our story for today about the racing of the puppets' friendships. Let's say bye everyone.
Bye.
Show your puppets. Show.